Okay guys, so we have these Amazon overalls. They're jean, they're black, and I got a size bigger because, so you can see it's a little like loose from here, but I personally like it that way. And it has these back pockets, these front pockets, pretty deep, and that's why it was a little long on me, so I just kind of rolled it. But again, that's just how I like it. And it also has a pocket right here in the front. I also like how these don't necessarily, I've had some overalls that get stuck sometimes, but these are pretty easy to just unclip and they don't get stuck. So yeah, I really like these. I think they're very comfortable. Again, I got them a little bigger, but they just feel very stretchy overall. You see what I did there? And yeah, I really like how they fit.